Sorry, I'm not the greatest sports fan, but did you say the game was on Saturday?
Saturday.
That's bad news. There is major rain. I'm talking about we could see 2 inches of rain by the time we get into next weekend. Let's break it all down for you, hour by hour and city by city and day by day, obviously. Starting you off, here's a live look at our camera, noticing how beautiful it is in Baltimore. It is nice and quiet and calm. We are going to decrease the clouds as we have a cold front in our forecast to arrive tonight. I say cold front, but it's not really going to drop our temperatures. Instead, we're going to see it bring in some drier air. So hopefully you actually got that nice little holiday gift of a hand lotion set because you'll be needing it this week. The radar right now not picking up anything. However, we are going to see snow in our forecast. We have a series of storm systems coming our way. Temperatures right now, though, ahead of the cold front. We're at 32 degrees into Parkton. Good evening in Annapolis. You're now at 38. Columbia 34. Middle River at around 35 degrees. The cold front is currently working its way throughout the mid-Atlantic, and as it does so, it pushes a little bit closer to us. We're going to see our clouds sort of oscillate. We'll see them decrease, and then we'll see them increase. Behind the front, though, really noticing the drier air ending up clearing out the clouds. We'll end up seeing so much sunshine in the later half of the day tomorrow. Temperatures, though, still going slightly warmer than normal. It's a storm system that's out over toward Texas, Louisiana now. This will ride on up Tuesday, and as it does so, that's going to bring us about a 40 to 50% chance of snow. Not going to see much of it stick to the ground, but you'll notice it in the sky. Here's your futurecast breaking it down for you. Tomorrow, 1 o'clock. What did I say? Not a lot of clouds, right? We'll end up seeing beautiful conditions, especially the later half of the day. Now as early as Tuesday at 10 a.m., the clouds are thickening up. We have that second storm system on the way. So this model indicating that by 2 o'clock, we could see some snowfall. I think most likely it's going to be closer to about 4 o'clock, but nonetheless, you get the drift here, staying right around the Beltway. And then by 6 o'clock, exiting portions of the western half or the western half of the area, and then heading out over towards, say, Delaware once we get closer to about 7:30 at night. So for tonight, ahead of the boundary, we're looking at 30 degrees. Clouds are going to leave and then they'll return. And then Monday, 50 degrees. It will be fairly breezy with that front as well, although the breeze going to kick out those clouds. Let's break it down to you hour by hour for you in your forecast. Starting off about 8 a.m., the 30s, 33 degrees, but that's still warmer than normal, even though I think it's chilly. And if you have those hand warmers and you have to walk to school, you probably want to use those. By noon, 47, and by 2 o'clock, here goes the beautiful sunshine. Now looking at around 50 degrees for you then. Now, while we're going to be dealing with snow on Tuesday, look what happens for the next 6 to 10 days. While we're forecasting to see a lot of precipitation, in fact, more so than normal, like I said, over the weekend, it's going to be in the form of rain because temperatures are going to stay warmer than normal. 7-day forecast for you. 50 tomorrow. It will be breezy. Stay 10 to 15 miles per hour, occasionally a higher gust. Tuesday's at 50% storm chance of snowfall coming on down. We could see it starting out as rain and then turning over to snow. On Wednesday, this will be the driest day and the windiest, when we can see winds closer to around 20 to 25 miles per hour. And then that stronger storm system arrives for the weekend. This one, though, has some tropical moisture with it, so while it brings a tremendous amount of rainfall, temperatures at least will be warm for the Ravens game at 62 degrees. Let's look at your 7-day forecast. Mallory, over to you. And there